Do you want to learn how to sell more cars, make more money, and get more leads using social media? Hi, my name is Trevor, and I have been selling cars for 25 years now. And in about 2014, I had to transition from the conventional way of selling cars to using social media. But the problem that I had, everybody said it was easy and everybody said that's where you're going to find your leads and all those types of things. The problem is there was nobody to show me how to do it. On my channel, I am going to go through step by step and show you exactly how I find leads, how I get leads, and how I close more deals, the tools that I use, and the tips and tricks that will help you get the success that I get. So if you want to get more leads, make more money, click the subscribe button right down here, and also make sure to hit that notification bell, and you will be notified on every new video that I upload. Thank you for checking out my channel. Have a great day.